What's up, guys? This is a quick installation guide for anyone who wants to download and try out the language level Chrome extension. Um, so it's currently in beta. It's very much a prototype. So it's not available on the Chrome Web Store right now. So in order to download this, we have to go via the developer route. Um, Now that involves like downloading a zip file and loading an unpacked version of the extension, which some people might be comfortable with, some people might not. So I just want to put it out there and let you guys know. Um, so right, with that out of the way, I will quickly give you a preview. No, I will not because I don't have it downloaded right now. But we'll install it and then I will give you a preview. So to install it, this is the GitHub page for the extension, and you can see here there's a button to install. What we need to do is download the zip file. So this should take us to the release page. Here we are. So then we just click to download the zip file. It downloads. macOS automatically extracts the zip file folder. It might be a bit different on Windows. You might have to manually extract, but what you want is to get this folder. This folder contains the build files or the assets for the Chrome extension. So once you've got that, you go to Google Chrome. And you need to navigate to the extensions page, which is Chrome://extensions, as you can see there. And if you don't already, which you probably don't if you're not a developer, you just need to enable developer mode. And that will then open up this for you, load unpacked. So you can then load an unpacked extension into your browser. So then you just do that. So you load unpacked, you navigate to that folder that we just extracted, and then you just hit the select button. And then you'll be able to see the extension here in all its glory. So once you've got that installed, just quickly, this is what the pop-up looks like. You can go to here, extensions, and in here you can see the languages that are available. Spanish comes enabled by default because there is a little bit of initial data for Spanish that I've imported from comprensi.com. There isn't any starting data for any other languages, but hopefully in the future there should be as users come on and start providing feedback. Okay, and so that's it. It's enabled, and what you can do, I'll just show you a quick preview of what it looks like. So at the moment, there isn't a whole lot of data in the system. There is, I think it was 25,000 videos that I've imported data from comprensi.com. Everything else doesn't have any feedback yet. There is no data. And as we gather votes from people, the system it takes a bit of time to sort of calibrate, to converge onto a difficulty level that it's confident is correct. Probably about 5, 6, maybe a few more votes from independent users, but then it will be confident enough in the difficulty level that it has, and you will then see that level appear in YouTube just as you browse around. So I'll see if I can find a quick example. There we go. So there's one here, 35 out of 100, and another one over here. And yeah, I mean, I can just go to it. If I just go quickly to a channel that I know has a fair bit of data that was imported, you can maybe see the potential value of the extension. So here you go. So here you can see difficulty ratings for each video if it's in the database for the extension. And that's it. So yeah, you basically just navigate through YouTube. You'll be able to identify quickly, like before you actually watch a video, whether you're going to understand it or not, like whether it's appropriate for you. As you're watching videos, the extension will prompt you. It will just ask you every now and then to compare two videos that you've watched recently and ask which one was the easier one. And if you vote on that, then it will give the data to the system. And if enough people do that, then we should have a pretty powerful language learning resource. It sort of give YouTube some superpowers for comprehensible input. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.